Put your arm out real quick. Which one? Anyone. We got like 5. I got, So don't let me put your arm out. Don't let me push your hand down. All right. Don't let me push it down. She's strong. All right. Hold my phone. Okay. Now, don't let me push it down. Oh, man. Whoa. Can I do it again? Dad, don't let me push it down.
No, this is some scientific stuff. I'm putting strength up.
Anybody else want to try it real quick?
Me.
Come on up, bro. Come on up, bro. Come on up. You play tennis. It's his job to be strong. All right, let me see. Don't let me push it down. Now look, I'm putting force like force. All right, now don't let me push it down. Don't let me push it down. Fuck. We have an electromagnetic current in our body. It's a circulatory system, right? These phones have electromagnetic something or whatever, right? And it can disrupt the flow of electricity in our bodies. That's why we have a system, a nervous system. So literally, this could disrupt the flow. So I wouldn't sleep with your phones right next to you too, either. I put your phones across the room. Because in real time, I just showed y'all, it disrupts the flow. These are facts, ain't fiction. Just showed you it disrupts the flow of electricity within your body. He's strong. He played tennis. And I just, she's strong. And I was just like, easy. See what I'm saying? So, case study in real time. Put your phones on the other side. Think about, I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'll give you a suggestion. I would suggest that, what's your name, love?
Me?
Yes.
Anisha.
I suggest you follow Anisha's lead and have a routine in the morning. Because it regulates on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You know.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Right. I would have a routine in the morning that regulates your nervous system, right? And part of that routine would be like, you might write, you might journal, you might look at to-do lists, you might pray, you might meditate, whatever it is. Have some time with yourself. Because a lot of people run from time with themselves.
And that's why
so have some time with yourself so that you can conquer the day.